like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. We provide these walk-around videos for transparency. We believe it's very helpful to our customers and our followers to see what's involved in repairing these salvage vehicles that we purchase from insurance companies. Right now you're looking at a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali with collision damage to the front end. Right now we're looking at the engine compartment. As you can see, engine is sitting in place, no movement. Aprons look good, strut tower, everything's in place. We have some movement on the radiator support here. Coolers look like they're pushed back a little bit, but they're not broken. You have some damage to the radiator support here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here. Front frame rail is damaged right here. That can be repaired. You don't have to replace a frame. Just a bracket. The other bracket looks like it's bent upwards a little bit too. Radiators look good. Not too bad. Upper tie bar here. It's pushed in. Let's do a quick walk around. Hood has some damage, it's repairable. Fender looks like it can be saved. I don't know how cheap they are. Maybe you should replace it, but depending on how many man hours it's gonna take to repair that. All the damaged parts that were taken off were thrown inside the vehicle. We'll probably bolt them back on. Has 7,200 miles. Quarters clean. This side looks nice. Rear tailgate's clean, rear bumper's clean. This side looks pretty clean too. Need a right front fender. Pretty nice unit overall. Let's take a look inside. Go around the other way. Start in the rear. Running boards pop right out. So you have all the damaged parts in the back here. Again, we'll bolt these back on just to get them out of the interior. I don't like leaving parts inside. You need 1, 2 curtain airbags. The 7th row seat is folded down. We'll bolt all these parts back on, get them out of the way. Get a nice panoramic roof. So you have 2 forward airbags that are deployed. Driver, passenger, curtain, and the other curtain here. Interior, otherwise it's good shape. This would be a nice builder for somebody who wants to save money. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.